Hi everybody, today is 23rd of September 24. As a survey engineer and a trainer, I'm always keen to work on new equipment and on a lookout on new test equipment too. Now here, this is you must have guessed it, a LAN tester along with a multimeter. So it can, like a usual multimeter, test voltages, DC and AC, current, insulation and resistance. Apart from this can also be used as a LAN tester. It also has a LAN remote terminator tester with it, and with the LAN to BNC, it can also be used to test the BNC cable or the 1 PPS cable. Quite a fancy multi-tool. I suggest it's worthwhile for every survey engineer to have it in its toolkit. Bye bye, take care. We'll see you around.